Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, today in this video, we are going to start Unit 10 Visualizing Solid Shapes of your NCERT book. Dear students, in this chapter, we will study the 3D objects. 3D objects means three-dimensional objects. And what do we mean by the word visualizing solid shapes? Visualize means to look at the object from different angles, through different angles. This means an object is looking different if we'll watch it from different angles. For example, if we'll look at a ball, it will look as a ball from all the angles, but if we'll look at a bottle, we can imagine its view differently. So before starting the chapter, dear students, let me introduce you the 3D shapes. So dear students, this box, as you can see, this box is cuboid in shape. And why we call it three-dimensional? Because it is having three dimensions. One is length, second is breadth, and third is height. Because it is having three dimensions, that is why we are calling it a three-dimensional object. So in this kind of things, this kind of three-dimensional objects we can see around us. Let me share some more examples with you to understand the 3D objects, means three-dimensional objects. So dear students, in this picture, you can see many more three-dimensional objects as I have introduced this object to you. This is a cuboid. We can call it a cuboid if it is made up of, if its faces are rectangular. We can take an example of cube also. The cylinder, like a water bottle. A spherical ball, like sun, moon, etc. Then a cone, like your ice cream cone. Then a cuboid. Dear students, all these are three-dimensional shapes. All these are three-dimensional shapes. So like this, we will study some more three-dimensional shapes. Besides a cube, a cuboid, a cone, a sphere, a cylinder, in this chapter we will learn about a pyramid, this green and blue figure, and a prism also, this yellow figure. So you will study two more type of three-dimensional shapes in this chapter. So through this picture you can recognize which is a pyramid and which is a rectangular prism, which is a sphere, which is cone, which is cylinder, and which is cube. So this will make your concept clear. Dear students, let us take a live example for us. Here is a hut. The three type of views of this hut are given to us. Like the very first one is front view. So from the front, how is it looking? It is shown in this figure. Then the side view carrying these two windows is shown here. Then the top view, that means the roof, is given in the third part of this figure. So these are the live examples which we can see in our day-to-day life. After this, we can imagine a three-dimensional object which is made up of four cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the top surface. So from the top, as you can see, we can, as you can see in the figure, we can see four faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. From this is the side view, this is the front view. So in this figure, different views are drawn to us, for us. So this kind of questions you are going to have in your 10.1 exercise in which you have to make the different views. You have to draw the different views of the object. Now you can see a brick in the figure, in the image, and its three views, the front view, then side view and top views are in front of you. So as a brick is in the shape of a cuboid, so that's why all the three views are rectangular. Front view is the small rectangle, then side view is quite bigger than that, then top view is the biggest rectangle. So dear students, these are the things which we are going to study in this chapter, unit 10, visualizing solid shapes. So now let us start 10.1 exercise.